Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Let's take a look at some stocks on the move today. I'm Tom Keene with Paul Sweeney and Bloomberg's Lisa Mateo.
Oh, thank you very much. Okay, let's start with Delta, ticker DAL.
Thank you.
Shares have been up as much as now 7, even 8%. So it keeps kind of ticking higher. Better than expected earnings, right? Said it's going to continue strong demand into next year. So they pointed out a few things, right? Leisure travelers. They're not only traveling, but they're splurging for the premium seats, the more expensive ones. And there's more corporate travelers. So its CEO said the company is in a financially good spot. They're not seeing any pullback in demand.
In 20-umpteen years, one of the most important interviews I've ever done is Ed Bastian at Delta.
Okay.
In the heart of COVID, and he said, we'll get beyond this and business travel will lead the way.
See? And he was right. And
nailed
look at that. Look at it. And they're responding to it, too, because they're pushing a lot of premium products, like in the cabin, on the ground. They're trying to appeal to those people who spend a little bit more on luxury and separate themselves from the budget carriers. So that was a big thing for them.
All right. I paid for first class first time in my life when we flew to Italy.
Okay.
Yeah.
Worth it?
Worth it because we had a busy schedule. Did not want any jet lag. Totally worth it.
There you go. See, more people are doing it. More people are doing it. So that's the thing. American Airlines, United Airlines, their shares also gained because of this, too.
Oh, they all went up.
Yeah, they all went up.
Next.
All right, PepsiCo. Okay, this is ticker PEP. Their shares. Okay, their shares have been up more than 1%. They've come down a little bit, but now they're starting to go back up again. Stronger than expected net revenue, right? So they own Lay's, Gatorade, Quaker brands, things like that. But what was a turnaround was their North American beverage unit. So it had 2% growth, strongest growth in nearly 2 years. Pepsi, strong in the third quarter. The reason why, thanks to their zero sugar soda, that was a big draw for Pepsi. So more people starting to drink the zero sugar soda, and also Poppy, which it bought earlier this year. Poppy is that prebiotic soda, the healthier version. So it has, the apple cider vinegar, the fruit juice, the prebiotic. So a lot of people caught on to that. So that's giving Pepsi a boost. And it's doing a few things different. It's on this healthy kick because everything is about, the processed foods and all that. So it's starting to change what they're offering.
She's only doing this because she agrees with that.
No, did you know they have new versions of Doritos and Cheetos NKD, so naked. So they don't have the artificial colors. They don't have the artificial flavors. They have new high protein Doritos, and they have some new meat snacks too. So they're jumping on the bandwagon.
Why did we just not do a stock movers today of one stock? Let's point this out. Elliott's gone after Pepsi. They got the fear of God in them right now. With the wonderful people at Elliott helping out. But Paul, here's a single Lisa Mateo headline. Pepsi CEO, I think fiber will be the next protein.
Oh boy.
Now I'm thinking Jim Carrey in the movie about the Miami Dolphins where he goes, fiber.
Ace Ventura.
Ace Ventura. That was fiber.
One of my favorite movies.
Next.
Also, it's CFO is retiring. Wanted to put that out there.
Yep.
So Ferrari, their shares actually plunged the most intraday in 9 years, down as much as 16%. Trading actually temporarily halted due to volatility. But still, the stock now down 14% up for the year. Expectations were high. The company just didn't deliver.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.